Primary colors. What are primary colors? The primary colors are the basic colors that can be combined to create all other colors. There are two main types of primary color systems, depending on whether you're mixing light or pigments. One, primary colors for pigments, subtractive mixing, used in painting, printing, etc. Red, blue, yellow. These are the traditional primary colors for artists. Secondary colors. What are secondary colors? Secondary colors are the colors you get when you mix two primary colors together in equal amounts. The specific secondary colors depend on which color system you're using. One, in pigments, paint, art, red, blue, yellow system, primary colors, red, blue, yellow secondary colors, red plus yellow, orange, yellow plus blue, green, blue plus red, purple, violet. So the secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. Two, in light screens, red, green, blue system. Primary colors, red, green, blue secondary colors, red plus, green, yellow, green plus, blue, cyan, blue plus, red, magenta. So the secondary colors are yellow, cyan, and magenta.